First, we will open the lid, take out the honeycomb work table of the machine, and replace it with the blade table. Blade table can reduce the impact of reflection on the back, which makes more sense here since we're cutting acrylic today. Now, we choose a suitable double color sheet and put it into the workspace and close the lid. Find the file in the machine memory. Start autofocus. Set origin. Preview the frame range, press the start button, and we're good to go. For better texture, firstly, we would use the machine to grind off the surface and cut out the door plate structure. Then, we flip it over and grind off the other surface. Use white double color sheet to make room number letters and patterns. Take out the text and pattern parts and stick double-sided tape on the back, because later we need to attach these parts to the board. Please do not forget cut off the excess tape with a knife and put it back in place to finish the job here. Then we start to cut out the rivets with thick acrylic and use thin acrylic to cut out the gaskets. Now we got rivets, gaskets, arrange all the accessories. Okay, let's start assembling. First, use tweezers to remove these parts. Align the board with the removed letters to the edge to ensure that each letter is attached to the exact position. Tear off the double-sided tape behind them and place them in the frame of the sheet and remove it. Now, you can see all letters are accurately attached. Then, we pick up the plate 201, insert the rivets into 4 small holes, and then turn it over and press it one by one. Install gaskets on the 4 rivets and press them tightly. Insert the rivets on the 201 sheet into the main body of the room plate. Turn over the entire nameplate and place the 4 gaskets on the rivets and turn. Take out another white 201 sheet to align the rivets. Hit the 4 rivets with the rubber mallet to secure them. In the same way, place the pattern and letterboard again, like we did before. And you can press the pasted letters with the bottom of the tweezers. Take off the sheets and now use them as a card holder. Place the finished nameplate on the black rectangular opening and inject 502 glue on both sides. Then take a black acrylic board and apply glue on it. Place the small rectangular black acrylic board on it, and then continue to apply 502 glue on 2 narrow sheets, and place 2 wider sheets respectively. Let it stand until it is dry enough. Check all the details, it looks perfect. Now we put double-sided tape on the back of this board, cut off the excess tape with a knife again, and put the finished room number on it. Now all the work we need to do is done here. Let's check it out! If you like this kind of video, please do not forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel. If you have any questions about laser, please tell us in the comment section, and we will see you in the next video.